What's happening, fellas? Feast your eyes on this KTM Factory Edition Dungey Special here. This is a 2015 model commemorating his national championship Supercross win. This is absolutely brand new. It's a 6-year-old motorcycle that's never had gas in it. It's been on display in a private showroom dealership collection. It's never had gas in it. It's never been started. It's got 0 hours on it. No one's even ever sat on this bike. It's been well protected, well preserved, and it's it's actually brand new, okay? We have all the dealer literature, the certificate of origin, and the manual on it, and it's absolutely stunning. This is an investment quality motorcycle that could be tucked away for a long-term investment, or fill up the gas tank and roll it to the line at Loretta Lynn's. Either way, it's ready to rumble. The factory edition, the Dungey Special, has and the stock one does not have these anodized triple clamps or the custom graphics package or the Takasaga XL black rims or the orange sprocket or some of the other racing components that came stock with this bike, including the gold chain. So it's got a lot more bling than a standard one. It is absolutely collectible, brand new, and perfect. If you have any questions, call us, 860-454-7024. Never been started, completely brand new. N.O.S, new old stock. Call us if you want any help with shipping. We ship this anywhere in the country for $600 or less, East Coast around $5. We can get all the way to the UK for $750 plus import duties. So ship it anywhere in the world for you. I have not seen any other brand new KTM's Dungey Specials come up for sale. This may be the last brand new one left. No one's ever even sat on it. Still has the plastic on there. It's pure perfection and absolute eye candy. Would look great in someone's private collection museum display. If you're looking for perfection, N.O.S is the only way to go. Thanks for watching. God bless the United States of America.